It is possible to use the independent assignable knobs in addition to the super knob. Let's change the amount of reverb individually. Go to Navigation, Part Settings, select the reverb send and reduce it to 0. Press Ctrl Assign, press and hold Common and move the assignable knob 8 simultaneously. Select the ratio and reduce it to about 32. Change the name of the assignment accordingly. Press Exit, select Motion Control and use the sub-display button 8 to unlink it from the super knob. Go back to Performance Home. Now you're able to control the reverb independently.